Welcome back to the Saturday Chefs. Today we're going to make egg fried rice. Yeah. Now let me introduce you to my chefs.
Hi, I'm Chef Egg.
Hi, I'm Chef Josh.
Hi, I'm Chef Banana.
Hi, I am Chef Alberto. Welcome to the Saturday Chefs.
Yeah.
First, we're gonna get our rice and put it in a pan. Now, we get our day-old rice and we use it to make our egg fried rice. Now, we put our day-old rice into the pan. Now, put it in, Chef Alberto.
Amo.
Now, give me this. Now, we have put our
The
day-old
day-old
rice
rice.
into the pan. I am here with my friend today, Chef Egg, and today
Yes,
we're going to cook scrambled eggs because we are going to be using this to the egg fried rice. Now we turn on the stove. Now we let it heat up. Let the pan heat the oil. Chef Kios, can you get me the spatula? Chef Egg! We will wait until the oil.
It's good.
Yeah. That's what's up. That's what happens here in the Saturday Chefs. Now that the egg is done cooking, we put it in the rice and put a little bit more oil just so the rice doesn't stick. And by when I mean a little, I mean a lot. Now stir. Stir like it's by gender.
You forgot the oyster sauce.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Can someone give me the scissors?
You don't need.
This is optional, but you can add some liquid seasoning to our egg fried rice. Calamansi flavor, as they call it in the Philippines. Put a lot. Because I want it to be sour. Little bit more egg. A bit more spring onion.
Uyo.
We do not have budget for salt base, so I am pepper base. Give me the salt, Chef Alberto. Salt? Give me the salt.
You can add ketchup if you
There
want.
we go. We can add some salt. Come here. Smell it.
Oh, yeah.
Smells delicious. Now, get some plates. Follow me, chef. Get a big boy's plate. Get a big boy plate because I'm not a pussy. Put it all up in a big pan.
We're gonna have our judge just soon over here. I'm just gonna call them.
Sure. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that.
Best egg fried rice in Manila.
Only here, available in... What street is this again? I forget. Saturday show, like right.
Only cooking here, Saturday Chefs.
Only here on Saturday Chefs.
Okay.
So here are our chefs. These are going to be our guests today because they did not show up on time because I don't know why. They are going to be tasting our egg fried rice. This is Chef Shio and this is
A special
Amogger.
guest.
There we go. Now, first, Chef Shio. Please taste test the egg fried rice.
The looks is 9.5 out of 10.
9.5 out of 10 for the looks. Nice.
Now let's taste it.
Taste test.
Not very good, but not bad. I'll give it 9.8 out of 10.
Nice, nice. Now, chef.
So what I can say about this is because the texture looks so good and the outside is good. Now it's time to taste the test. Now it's time to test the taste. Okay. So. What's your rating? The umami seasoning is melting in my mouth, so I'll rate it at 10 out of 10.
So, what is your rating for the looks, the presentation?
Like 8.5.
Nice, nice, nice. So there you have it, guys. 2 judges, professional cooks, by the way. They approve of the Saturday Chef's egg fried rice. You will be seeing Chef Shia here next Saturday because he was late. So he's our special guest for today. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Don't forget to watch the bloopers, by the way.
To the
Saturday Chefs! Yeah!
Yes.
Kain man! Welcome back to the Saturday Chefs. Hello. Hello. Now let me introduce to you my chefs.
Hi, I'm Chef Peg, and this is my chef.